This is the Woodford 30120 clear plastic handle. It does fit a few different Woodford faucet models. A couple things about it. It is a round handle. So you can see here it's got that square brooch, or where it'll attach. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the handle. We'll get a total diameter here of the handle, and then as well as a total height. So the outside diameter of the handle measures right at about 2 inches. And then we can get an inner diameter of where it'll attach here. So inner diameter measuring right below ½ an inch. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. And then an outside diameter of a little over ½ an inch. And then get a total height of the handle, measuring right at 3/4 of an inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 30120 clear plastic handle.